In this lesson, let us try to talk something about multi-line text. In the previous lesson, we spoke about single line text, which is present in this annotation panel of our ribbon. We saw it here, single line text. Now let us take multi-line text. Single line text is quite fast and it is useful for labeling a drawing. And sometimes we may need to write a notes which has got a paragraph and you need to do some editing of the paragraph. You need to do some bullets, or you need to do some numbering. For all this work, multi-line text is a very useful tool. Multi-line text is present here. Let me just go to multi-line text, click on this one, just come now with my dynamic input. You can see here, specify the first point. Somewhere I will specify the first point and then I will drag my mouse. See what is happening now. I am having a box opening. It is just like Microsoft Word processor inside our CAD application. Now you can see here, I can select. It is just looking like what? It is just looking like my Microsoft Word application. See here, I can select which type of font I want, and then what is the size of the font I want. I can have it, and then should I want it bold, italic, or you want to underline it, anything, and then the color, everything I can select. Okay. Now let me just show you. Let me type as notes, N-O. Let me just go here, double click, notes. I will type notes, I will put colon. Now I will just go down. So what I want now, I just want to have the bullets. Let us see here. When you go over here, you can see bullets is turned off. I will just go and select bulleted. The moment I say bulleted, it's already here. Whatever notes I want to write, I can write. This is a public toilet. Okay. The doors are made from sandwich wooden panels. And then what can I say? The partition in the gents' toilet are made from granite slab. Okay. Now see here, whatever I have done, I can just highlight it. I want to change the color. Just go here, change the color. I want the color as a magenta or green. Let me take green because it is not here. I have taken it as green. Let me go and highlight the notes. I want to make it bold. I can make it bold, italic, underline. Now I want to change the color of this one. Where is the color? The color is here. Okay. Let me just go and make it green color, yellow color. See here, it has become yellow color. Now if I hold this one and move like this, see, I can increase, decrease the size. Anything I want, I can do. And then if I want to make everything justified on both the sides, see here, everything I just highlight it and justify. See, everything gets justified. If I want it to have middle justification, left justification, any justification. Okay. So this multi-line text is very helpful feature in AutoCAD. This will help us to create notes inside a drawing exactly like a word processor. It is as if a word processor is inside your CAD application. Thank you very much for watching this video.